On again. Yes. Oh, there's another one on. Well, this is heron. This is a heron. Now guys, what you'll notice I'm doing is I have a bait runner reel on, and what I do is I release the end and I set the torque that the weight brings down every time I lift it up, and therefore every time I lift the rod up it drops it down a bit more and a bit more, so I'm covering all ground. On again. Yes, mackerel, which we really need. Well, I have a new rig on and I've got this old one and they just keep going for this rig. Even though it's in bits, you see. Now with the next rod, oh my boat rods at the same time, good. Mackerel. Jesus, look at that. We're pulling that right down. And the next one. Come on, this is my lucky rig. That's absolutely trashed. Oh, lovely size. One mackerel, and he ran me into my other line. Three whitening. What have we got? What have we got? Oh, pollock. You have a pollock on the rag. So we're using the 3-hook flapper ragworm. It's a nice pollock. Nice day. That's what it's about. What have we got? Ah, little wrasse. Nice. Nice one, Rob. Little wrasse. Nice. Right. Let's carry on. Little wrasse. I have one. A little wrasse. Woo! A little wrasse. Went for the middle hook, brush back the fins, and then unhook. There you go, a little wrasse, come back. And the pollock. Pollock. There we go. There he is. We throw him back in. Yeah, he's on.
No.
Pouting. Little pouting. Perfect for congers, right? There you go, mate. Right. It's a nice size, isn't it? That's it over now. Got the mackerel, herring, whitening, pouting, pollock. That's it. And a pretty good day. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.